Understanding fresco. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the word fresco. It's a word that has traveled through time and cultures, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. Let's get started. Fresco is borrowed from Italian and originally means fresh. In the context of art, a fresco is a method of mural painting where the artist applies paint directly onto freshly laid or wet lime plaster. As the plaster sets, the painting becomes an integral part of the wall. What makes frescoes unique is the technique involved. Artists have to work quickly because the plaster dries fast. The colors in frescoes look vibrant because they are absorbed by the wet plaster, and once it dries, the colors become set, making the artwork long-lasting. Even though fresco primarily refers to a type of mural painting, you can also find it used in various contexts. Here are a few examples. 1. The fresco in the ancient church took my breath away with its vibrant colors. 2. She explained how artists in the Renaissance period mastered the art of fresco painting. 3. Although digital art is popular now, there's something timeless about a fresco on a wall. Sometimes, you might come across words or phrases that sound similar or are related to fresco. Here are a few. Al fresco, an Italian phrase meaning in the open air. It's often used in English to describe dining outside, like in a garden or on a patio. For example, we dined al fresco under the stars. Fresh. As we discussed earlier, fresco means fresh in Italian. So, it's interesting to see how languages influence each other. And that wraps up our journey with fresco. Whether you're admiring art on an ancient wall or enjoying an al fresco meal, you now know the roots and richness of this word. We hope this video has been enlightening. And remember, every word has a story waiting to be uncovered. Happy learning!